Hello, my name is John. Today I will tell you how to set up uploading new leads from Google Lead Form to MoonMail. This is necessary in order to automatically transfer new leads from the Google Lead Form to other systems. For example, through MoonMail you can send an email with each new lead from the Google Lead Form. Now let's move on to the setup. First, you need to create a new connection. Next, you need to select one of the sources from which you want to receive new data. In this case, choose Google Lead Form. Now you need to select the system where you want to transfer new leads from the Google Lead Form. In this case, choose MoonMail. At this stage, we need to connect the Google Lead Form account to the Save My Leads system. In this window, we can give a name to this account or just click Continue. When the connected account is displayed in the list, select it. Now we copy the URL for receiving data and go to the Google Ads personal account. Next, go to the Ads Assets section and go to the Assets section. Now select the necessary lead form from which we want to receive new leads. In the lead form settings, go to the Integrations section. Paste the copied URL. Copy part of the URL and paste it into the key field. After that, click Send Test Data. Next, click Save and return to your personal account, Save My Leads. After that, click Continue. At this stage you need to connect your MoonMail account to Save My Leads system. In this window, you must specify the API key. In order to get it, go to the personal account of MoonMail. Then go to Profile Settings. Now to the API Access section. Copy the API key and paste it into the appropriate field in the Save My Leads system. When the required field is filled, click Continue. When the connected login is displayed in the list, select it. Now we need to specify in the From Email field the address from which the mailing will take place. This address can be obtained in your MoonMail account. To do this, go to the Domains section. In this section, you can pre-register the necessary domain. Copy the email address from which the data will be sent. Please note that the email address must be copied without additional characters. Paste this email into the appropriate field in the Save My Leads system. In the To Email field, you can specify a variable from the Google Lead Form that contains the user's email. In order to do this, click in the field and select a variable from the drop-down list. Then you need to fill in the subject and text fields. Please note that in these fields you can use not only variables, but also manually enter values. After all fields are filled, click Continue. Now you see an example of the email that will be sent to each new lead from the Google Lead Form. If something does not suit you, click back and you will go back one step. In order to check the correctness of the settings, click Send Test Data to MoonMail. After successful sending, if it was your mail, you can go to it and check the result. If everything suits you, return to the Save My Leads system and continue setting up. In order to send letters to each new lead from the Google Lead Form instantly, you need to enable Auto Update. For this, click Finish Setup. If you want to change the connection name, you can do it in its settings. That's all. I wish you successful integration settings and good luck.